So now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You'll have to speak on the topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. My topic was a short trip that I often do. So I live in Lahore, Pakistan, and I often visit to Faisalabad. That take almost 2 hours and 30 minutes of traveling. It is a hectic and boring routine if you do it on regular basis, especially on weekends. So the travel which make it very unpleasant sometimes due to weather extremities, like nowadays the temperature is so high, so it makes it very unpleasant for me and the whole members which are going to with me. Sometimes traffic can play a very unpleasant role in the traveling, each kind of traveling, by road, local, or your personal cabs or car. And when I go there, I met with different kind of people which belong to my profession or other which are not belong to my profession. So it's sometimes give me a pleasant or good time, but at times I feel it very hectic due to some unusual conversations.
All right, that's good. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3.
Yes.
Do people in your country like to travel abroad?
Yes, in Lahore especially people move on in abroad, and some other countries in some other cities in Pakistan too. So it's it's not specification for age. Old people and young people also move. I like traveling.
How much time do you think people should spend on a trip abroad?
It's depend on I think their limitations and the regular routines. If a person is professional, he or she cannot spend more time in other countries. So there is many responsibilities.
Okay. All right, that's good. Thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.